I'd like to make a few comments on one issue that is of importance right now, and that is the drones flying over various states without an explanation. And I have 3 points that are helpful, but do not take away the frustration in not knowing what these drones are all about. Number one, the government is very good at what it thinks is important. Number two, whatever the government does not deem important may abound with incompetence. And number three, when something does not make sense, something else is going on. Now, each of these three can be unpacked in detail and give more insight, but those are 3 points that may be helpful as this and other such topics are examined.